How to collect recovered log files on a Windows computer. Currently, we have two methods for collecting them. Method 1. Collect logs from the product interface. Step 1. Open Wondershare Recoverit. Click Menu in the upper right corner. Step 2. Choose Log Files. Step 3. Copy all files located within the log folder. Method 2. Collect logs from the file path. Step 1. Right-click Wondershare Recoverit icon and click Open File Location. Step 2. Find the log folder in this directory. Step 3. Copy all files located within the log folder. Both methods will show you how to collect the log files. You can put all files into one folder after copying them, compress this folder, and then send it to the customer service team. Thanks for watching.